Are you a male-to-female crossdresser who wants to enhance your femininity and attractiveness? Do you want to learn how to embrace your inner woman and express her in your appearance, behavior, and personality? If so, then this video is for you. In this video, we will explore some feminine traits that you should follow as an MTF crossdresser. These traits are not only essential for creating a convincing and appealing feminine image, but also for developing your self-esteem, happiness, and fulfillment as a woman. But before we dive into the specific traits, let's first understand what feminine traits are and why they are important for crossdressers. Feminine traits are the qualities, characteristics, and behaviors that are typically associated with women in our society. They are often contrasted with masculine traits, which are the qualities, characteristics, and behaviors that are typically associated with men. The traits are not exclusive to women or men, they can be found in people of any gender identity or expression. However, they tend to be more valued and expected in women than in men. Feminine traits are important for crossdressers because they can help you create a more authentic and attractive feminine image. By adopting these traits, you can enhance your physical appearance, mannerisms, voice, and personality. You can also feel more comfortable and confident in your own skin, as well as connect better with others. The first step to identifying and developing your feminine traits is to do some self-reflection. Ask yourself these questions. Which feminine traits do I already possess or display? Which feminine traits do I admire or aspire to have? Which feminine traits do I need to work on or improve? You can also ask for feedback from people who know you well or who have experience in crossdressing or feminization. They can give you honest and constructive advice on your strengths and weaknesses. The next step is to take action and practice. Here are some tips to help you develop your feminine traits. Read books, articles, blogs, or magazines that focus on women's issues, interests, and perspectives. This can help you gain insight and inspiration from other women's experiences and opinions. Watch movies, shows, videos, or podcasts that feature women who embody the feminine traits you want to have. Observe how they look, talk, act, and interact with others. Try to emulate their style, tone, voice, and gestures. Join online or offline communities or groups that cater to crossdressers or transgender women. You can learn from other people who share your goals and challenges. You can also find support, encouragement, and friendship. Seek professional help or guidance from experts or mentors who specialize in crossdressing or feminization. They can offer you personalized coaching, training, or counseling to help you achieve your desired results. Now that you have a general idea of what feminine traits are and how to develop them, let's look at some traits that you should follow as a MTF crossdresser. For each trait, we will explain what it is, how it makes you more feminine, and how to cultivate it as a crossdresser. Trait number 1, empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It is a key component of emotional intelligence and social skills. Empathy makes you more feminine because it shows that you care about others and their well-being. It also helps you build rapport and trust with others. To cultivate empathy as a crossdresser, you need to practice active listening and compassion. Here are some tips. When someone is talking to you, pay attention to what they are saying and how they are saying it. Don't interrupt, judge, or criticize them. Instead, nod, smile, or make eye contact to show that you are interested and engaged. Try to put yourself in their shoes and imagine how they feel. Don't assume that you know what they are going through or what they need. Ask open-ended questions to clarify their situation and perspective. Express your sympathy and support for them. Use words like "I'm sorry," "I understand," "I'm here for you," or "How can I help?" to show that you care and that you want to help. Avoid giving unsolicited advice or solutions unless they ask for it. Sometimes people just want to vent or be heard. Respect their feelings and choices. Trait number 2, creativity. Creativity is the ability to produce original and valuable ideas or products. It is a form of self-expression and problem-solving. Creativity makes you more feminine because it shows that you have a unique and colorful personality. It also helps you stand out from the crowd and attract attention. To unleash your creativity as a crossdresser, you need to explore your passions and interests. Here are some tips. Try new things that challenge your mind and imagination. For example, you can learn a new skill, hobby, language, or instrument. You can also take a class, join a club, or travel to a new place. Experiment with different styles, colors, accessories, and makeup. Don't be afraid to mix and match different elements or try something out of your comfort zone. You can also get inspiration from magazines, blogs, celebrities, or other crossdressers. Express yourself through art, music, writing, or any other medium that suits your talents and preferences. You can also share your creations with others online or offline. Have fun and enjoy the process of creating something new and beautiful. Trait number 3, affection. Affection is the expression of love, liking, or fondness for someone or something. It is often shown through physical contact, verbal communication, or gestures. Affection makes you more feminine because it shows that you are not afraid to show your emotions and vulnerability. It also helps you create intimacy and romance with others. To show affection as a crossdresser, you need to practice flirting and seduction. Here are some tips. Use your body language and eye contact to signal your interest and attraction. Smile, wink, touch, or lean into the person you like. Maintain eye contact and look at their lips or other features that you find appealing. Use your voice and words to compliment and tease the person you like. Speak softly, sweetly, or playfully. Say something nice about their appearance, personality, or skills. Make jokes or innuendos that imply your intentions. Use your actions and gifts to surprise and delight the person you like. Do something unexpected or spontaneous that shows your creativity and thoughtfulness. Give them flowers, chocolates, jewelry, or something that reflects their taste or hobby. Trait number 4, communication. Communication is the exchange of information, ideas, or feelings between two or more people. It can be verbal or nonverbal, formal or informal, written or spoken. Communication makes you more feminine because it shows that you are articulate and expressive. It also helps you convey your message and personality effectively. To improve your communication skills as a crossdresser, you need to practice clarity and confidence. Here are some tips. Be clear and concise in what you say or write. Use simple and direct words that convey your meaning accurately. Avoid using jargon, slang, or filler words that confuse or distract your audience. Be confident and assertive in what you say or write. Use a strong and steady voice that reflects your conviction and authority. Avoid using hesitations, apologies, or qualifiers that undermine your credibility or confidence. Be engaging and interesting in what you say or write. Use stories, examples, anecdotes, or humor that illustrate your points and capture your audience's attention. Avoid using boring, repetitive, or irrelevant information that bore or annoy your audience. Trait number 5, confidence. Confidence is the feeling of trust or belief in oneself or one's abilities. It is a form of self-esteem and empowerment. Confidence makes you more feminine because it shows that you are proud and happy with who you are and what you can do. It also helps you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. To boost your confidence as a crossdresser, you need to practice positive thinking and action. Here are some tips. Practice positive thinking and affirmations in your mind. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones that reinforce your strengths and potentials. Repeat phrases like I am beautiful, I am capable, I am worthy to yourself daily. Practice positive action and achievements in your life. Set realistic and attainable goals for yourself and work hard to achieve them. Celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. Reward yourself for your efforts and progress. By following these traits, you can enhance your femininity and attractiveness as a crossdresser. You can also improve your self-esteem, happiness, and fulfillment as a woman.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.